What's up, and let's go in the charts and watch what's happening here right now, because it's very, very interesting here. And I told you on Friday you saw this pump in the evening, right? On Friday, this pump in the evening. Usually if we see on Friday pump, we see pump throughout the weekend. But what happened Friday evening? We saw pump here at 22 o'clock until midnight, and then after midnight we saw dump. And therefore I told you on Saturday morning, I told that we will see not a huge pump or dump in throughout the weekend, because we saw here pump on Friday evening, and in the midnight, after midnight, a dump. So therefore I expected only a small like consolidation throughout the weekend, and this exactly what happened. But I told you, we are in the symmetrical triangle, and the more this symmetrical triangle gets squeezed, the more breakout this ejaculation will be to the up or downside, right? And like I tell you guys, bratans, you know, people are saying, oh, you say like only to the up or downside. Yes, obviously I can say only to up or downside, because nobody knows. But what much more important, and which are the very important information which I provide you, however it's not financial advice, my opinion, is that it's a very clear line where to enter a long or a short, right? This is what is much more important. And let us quickly zoom out right now on the Bitcoin. I have to be very fast because I'm driving home, and then I will go with my kid and my wife to a dinner. Yes, so you see here we are in descending. By the way, you saw we have here also perfectly lines for symmetrical of the rising wedge. We broke down, we reached perfectly the price target at the bottom of the wedge, and right now we are in a descending broadening wedge, and the price target of this descending broadening wedge is at the moment, you measure from top to the bottom, you see at the moment this bullish pattern is at the moment around 28,000, but only if we break here this white line to the upside. So we still could here retest. I have, by the way, to extend this line, we have to retest, we can easily retest here 60,300, right? 60,300 we can see easily to retest before we see breakout to the upside. So nobody knows, however it's a bullish pattern, and the probability that we break it to the upside is more likely than to the downside. But obviously what is very important and crucial, that we don't break this this downy line, right, to this white downy line, because if we break it, then it will be very, very big crash throughout the whole crypto market. But however, we could see a retest of 60,000 Bitcoin at 60,000, right? Obviously Ethereum would break to 1,000 or even 800 if we retesting 60,000 Bitcoin. So now let's zoom in on the 4 hourly and speak again, or maybe on the 1 hourly even, and speak again the symmetrical triangle. And look how beautiful this symmetrical triangle is, which is since Friday evening or Sunday morning. I told you about it. And the more we get squeezed, we see breakout to the up or downside. And look at this. I tell you every time that on Sunday evening, so today in the night, the stock market in Asia open, and usually while we are sleeping, we see a huge volatility to the up or downside because Asia market open. Look at this right now. If we are watching, we have 25th today, and look at this. Latest at 26. So today in the night we get so much squeeze that we should see lately today in the night or tomorrow in the morning that we see huge break to the upside or downside. You see, because here it not getting more, we cannot see here more consolidation. So it's very clear we see huge up or downside, and we don't have to know is it up or downside. We only have to watch the line. So if we break it to the downside, so let's assume we break it here at 18,800 to the downside, then we can start to short Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, all the altcoins. If we're closing a 15-minute candle, a clear candle, I mean, so a clear red candle here, for example, red candle, a clear red volume below this. I'm crying so loud, shouting so loud, I have to speak a little bit, make a sexy ASMR. So I'm recording. So if we break this line at 18,840 with a clear 15-minute candle, a clear body and a clear red volume, and closing a 15-minute candle, we can start to short Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, all the altcoins. First price target would be 18,633. Next one would be around 18,500. Next one would be around 18,400, and the next one would be around 18,150, and the next one would be here our green line at 70,350. So all in all, 7.8% short opportunity, 10x 78, 20x over 150% short opportunity. However, take profits if we break here this line 18,800, let's say 80,000. It depends where we break. Let's say here we break it at 18,800. Please take profits along the way down if you're shorting, because nobody knows. Maybe we're reaching 18,400, then see breakout to the upside. Therefore, take profits, small profits along the way down, and move your stop loss to your entry position. Right? Very clear. So, for example, if we break 18,000, let's say 18,800, and we're starting to open a short, I make a quick stop loss slightly above this white line. So if it's a fake out, I get stopped out, and then I can watch here if we break this upline and make a long. You understand? So if we're breaking 80,800, we're starting short Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, all the altcoins, make a quick stop loss slightly above this white line, so we don't lose so much money if it's a fake out. And then if we're breaking further down, I take profits along the way down. So 80,600, 80,500, all the price tag which I told you. And while we are dropping down, I move my stop loss further to my entry position. So if it's a breakout, I don't lose any money. You understand, right? So now this was the scenario for shorting Bitcoin. The scenario for longing Bitcoin is obviously if we break the symmetrical triangle to the upside. If we're breaking to the upside, so if we break here the symmetrical triangle, let's say we're breaking at 19,150. So if we're breaking 9,150 to the upside with a clear 15-minute candle, I mean, again, a clear body closing, a 15-minute body, and the clear volume, like here, you see here, clear volume, then we can start to long. I would suggest first price target is 19,334. Next one would be here our green line, this big resistance line, 19,410. So this could be at least 1.3% extra, 30%, 20 extra, 26% long opportunity. If we're breaking this green line and closing a 15-minute candle, we can even make a bigger long. The first price tag would be then 19,630, and the next one would be 19,772. Next one would be 19,800, and the next one 19,900. So all in all, 4%, 10x, 40%, 20x, over 80% long opportunity if Bitcoin break this white line to the upside. Also here, if we break this white line, I would open a long, but make a quick stop loss slightly below this white line, because if it's a fake out, I can move quickly into short if you're breaking this down line. You understand? So if we're breaking this line, I make a stop loss slightly below this white line, open a long, and take profits also here along the way, and move my stop loss to my entry position, so I don't lose any money if we break it down. You understand? Please write me down below. It's very important. Please write me down below if you understand. Please write me down below. So you take profits along the way up, and move stop loss to an entry, in my opinion, and then we can obviously long Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, all the altcoins. Not a financial advice. Do your own research. And here where we are trading on Bybit, bratans. On Bybit, you can claim your bonus 4,620 and use this bonus also for trading. You get this bonus after a certain amount of initial deposit. So if you deposit Bitcoin or stable coins, and if you're trading, what's much more important, through my affiliate link, then you get, even if you're trading through my affiliate link, you get free access to my Telegram and Discord channel. Можете просто припарковать. А, тут нету места, да? Не сможете, хорошо, тогда заезжать. Не, можете заезжать, тогда заезжать. Но не забудьте поднять машину. You can get access to my Discord and Telegram channel for free if you're trading through my affiliate link. So very, very clear in my opinion, bratans. I will do the entry position for short and for long for Ethereum a little bit later, because I'm spitting already. Because I'm right now home. I have to quickly get my dressed up a little bit, because I look like homeless, and yes, and then I will do later a video. But it doesn't matter. What's much more important, it's very clear entry position for Bitcoin, and if Bitcoin breaks to the upside, we can long Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, all the altcoins. Bitcoin breaks to the downside, we can short Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, all the altcoins. So in my opinion, very clear. If you have any questions, write me down below. Thank you everyone who hitting the like button. Go join right now Telegram channel and make a registration through my Bybit link, because it's a win-win situation for you and for me. You get a bonus, you get free access to my Discord, Telegram channel, and I get a small percentage of your trading fee. So you don't lose any money, only the exchange provide me a small percentage of your trading fee. It's a clear win-win situation, bratans. I have to be very fast. You see, I kiss you and see you later. Mwah.